Hi, this is Mel from Mel Pink Journals, and this is the junk journal I call Marilyn, and this journal will be available in my Etsy shop. So Marilyn is 16 by 23 centimeters, and the spine is something like 4.5, nearly 5 centimeters. It has 3 signatures over here and 1 hidden signature. The signatures have 104 pages, front and back. These 3 signatures all together, and 40 pages front and back for this hidden signature. So I will show you all the details. So I wrapped this journal is wrapped in this really cool sewing fabric, and I inked the edges, and there is no glue coming from these inked edges as it did in some videos before when it was really fresh. So see, I have no glue on my hand. So I put on this spine. This is just something like a wraparound closure. This is just a bit of ribbon, and I put on this wooden beads at the end and tied a knot. If you don't like it, you can just cut it off and then remove this closure so it sits in here. So let's move this out of the way. Whoops. We put this somewhere over there so that you are able to see this. So this is the book, Marilyn. It has some fold-out pages. You can glue something onto here from your daily life. Of course, you can not write so good on these pages, but you can glue something on. This is a fabric color, a textile color dyed fabric, and I count this as a page too. So first page, second page, third page, and so on. So we have a bit of, oh, this is a printable I tea-dyed. And I tucked in a little journaling card. This is self-made. Then here you have this green doily, this paper doily. I ripped a bit. So this is one page again. It's really thin, but you can write on it. It's really beautiful. And you have this coloring book page and some lined paper on the back. Here I put on some white washi. This is from a magazine or from a cross-stitch image. This is some dotted pages. Then this map things you can fold out. It's really big. So this is the middle of the first signature. So these are the other pages, the other sides of the pages I showed you before. Another journaling card tucked into here with the spiral paper clip. So this is another journaling card I created by my own with some journaling space on the back. So let's just put this back on. The other part of the fabric, you could clip on some things maybe with a paper clip or with this safety pins. So another fold-out page. I really love these images. This is from the same magazine, but with ripped edges. Some book pages, some little doilies, and I counted this as one page too. So one page, second page, third page, fourth page, so that you know how I counted this 104 pages. Then you have this really cute paper clip over here, another self-made journaling card and a flip out. This is some golden coloring book page, and I painted it with some watercolor. Another of my self-made journaling cards, and this heart-shaped paper clip, another self-made journaling card, and a bit of a fabric ruffle. I painted a bit on the back because it was only white. Then you have this paper clip and this in this letter shape, and another self-made journaling card and a fold out. So another map in the middle. Then here you have one of my handmade paper flowers and a waterfall notepad made out of some leftover papers. Yes, papers, tea-dyed papers like this. This is some scrapbooking paper, and so on and so on. So you can write onto here or put something in from your daily life. This is the back. And on the other side we have another self-made journaling card with this wooden, with this buttons, not wooden, with this buttons and this fabric ruffles. And a vintage looking page from a paper pad for you to use. This is a thinner paper. You can use on its own, you can write on it, or you can rip it to size or cut it to size and use it in other projects or to decorate this project. Here you have another of my journaling cards. This is the back. and this cute comic cat paper clip. Another fold out, some book pages, another self-made journaling card, and so on. So the third signature is nearly the same. You have some tea-dyed or coffee-dyed paper here. This is really thick. Some more of dyed fabrics. This is grit paper with some coffee or tea splashed on it. And another of my self-made journaling cards with this cool fabric ruffle over here. This I counted as one page, so page 1, or the inside page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, so that you know. Then it's nearly the same, some tea-dyed book page. This is from a magazine again, with this cute dog. This, I don't know, I think it was an envelope, something like this. Then the middle of the third signature is just a fold-out map again. Yes, I think this, no envelope, but thing like this. Here's the other side of the cute little dog sleeping. Another coloring book page, 2 doilies, coffee dyed or tea dyed. Another of my self-made journaling cards, and coffee dyed grid paper, and this spiral paper clip, fabric, tea dyed paper, and fold out with this cool image. I really love this. So, and this is a kind of hidden signature, to say so. So this is out of foam, so it's really flexible but a bit thicker, and I covered it in this thick fabric and some jeans in the inside. So this would be the usual book. And now you have this fourth signature, which is a bit smaller, so narrower and smaller in this direction. And this contains self-dyed papers. So this is dyed with some textile color. This is dyed with coffee or tea. This is some dotted page, which I dyed. This is coffee or tea dyed again. This too, just another kind of it. Here it's splashed on some tea or coffee, and so on and so on. This was a paper which was yellow, I think, and then I dyed it. Here you have the half is dotted, the other half I covered up with some tea dyed or tea dyed or coffee dyed paper. So this gives you a thicker edge. This is a bright pink page. Of course, I had to put pink into the middle. Melting journals. Do I have to say more? So these are the other pages. These are 40 pages in the back, front and back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So that gives you 40 pages. For example, you could put here, you could put in things from your daily life. You could journal here, you could journal even here. You could put on a photo, a ticket from your daily life. You could color out this if you like, or you could just use it as a background and put on a photo or a ticket from your daily life, something like this. And of course, you could journal on some pages, or you could put on some piece of paper by your own and then journal on it. And this gives you a background. And this I envisioned to be, let's just put this a bit more to the top. And this I envisioned to be something like a hidden journaling spot for you. So here you can, of course, you can put on photos and things from your daily life as well, but you can just write on it if you like. So if you open up your book, nobody can see this at the first sight, to say so. So this sits here like this. So this is really flexible. This is hardcover. And then you just flip your book close like this. And it has a bit of growing space left. And from the side it looks like this. So then you just wrap around your closure, tie a knot or a bow, and then that's it. And then your journal is secured, and you can put it into your bookshelf, or it is a bit big, but maybe you wanted to take it with you when you are on a journey or traveling or something like this. So let's just close it up again. So I'm not a big bow tire, maybe you can do this better, but anyway, I think you see what I mean. So this is Marilyn. She will be available in my Etsy shop. I will put the link down below in the info box, and I hope you enjoyed this flip through video. Maybe you create by your own, then I would love to see your creations. And I'm struggling with this bow. No, I don't. This bow is perfect. Everything is perfect. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.